Welcome guys back to the channel. It's your guy Mighty Gideon. So currently this is the complete part 2 of turning $50 to $5,000, and this is going to be a complete part to your mighty height. Now last episode we ended the balance of $3,864.28 at the very point. So currently from here I've seen a very nice trade. I'll be giving out this very trade to my VIPs. I'm a signal group so they can trade to and make huge profit to your mighty height. So continue do analysis first, then I'll tell you the reason why I'm entering this trade to something very massive. So currently for me, if you watch, you can see there is a very strong zone at this very point. There's a very big zone at this very point, which signifying a very strong resistance level at this top region. So at this very point also, there's a very strong support level at this region. There's a very strong support level at this region, which signifying that the trade is going to buy pull up to the upside. This is BTCUSD. So currently from here, I'm entering my buys now on BTCUSD with one lot at the very point. I'll be buying this BTCUSD for it to buy massively and give us huge profit to a mighty height at this very point. And I'll also be giving out the signal to my VIPs to trade to and make huge profit to something very, very massive. So at the very point, I'm going to be telling them to buy BTCUSD. This is in a VIP signal group. We do double daily signals to a mighty height on a daily basis at the very point. So currently from here, I'll be giving out these signals now to my VIPs now for them to buy BTCUSD just now. So mighty height we go, mighty height we go. So at the very point, I've told my VIPs that they should buy BTCUSD now. Note, anything that I take, I'll give out the signals to my VIPs too for them to take to and make it profit to a mighty height. So let's see how BTCUSD favors us to something very massive. And note, whenever you're trading, you need to understand that the trade always follows a region and pattern. You get? Because if you watch, you can see that this very point here is the overall support level at this region, and this very point here is the overall resistance level. Let me just map it out. This is the overall resistance level at this region. You can see this is what they call a falling wedge at this very point. A falling wedge always breaks out and buy. So whenever you see a falling wedge, this is like the trade so down here in the past, trade so down here, so down here, but here, so down here. So currently is going to buy to this very point to a mighty height. Let's see what BTCUSD has for us. So guys, the trade you took is currently buying massively. We entered a trade for the trade to buy massively, and the trade is currently buying massively and giving us huge profit at the very point. Even our VIPs and academy, everybody are massive profit to a mighty height at this very point. So currently I'll be closing my trade on BTCUSD. I'm telling my VIPs to close the trade too on BTCUSD. On BTCUSD. So this is when I tell them that you get ready, they should buy BTCUSD at 107854 TP and stop loss mighty height we go. Currently the trade was floating and giving huge profit, and currently we're a massive profit. And also in this our VIP signal, all our trades are always to a mighty height. We have been all our trades starting from this week, we have always been profitable. No loss made this week. We did not make a single loss in our VIP this week. Starting from this week, no single loss was made. Everything was being elevated to a mighty height. Everything was being elevated to a mighty height. So our target was from $50 to $5,000. So currently we went from $50 to $50 to $14,366.35 at this very point. This account was elevated to a mighty height, and in this account, when I reach from $50 to $5,000, because when I reach $5,000, the investor told me that I should keep on doing the account. I should go it to 10k, and currently we go it from $50 to $14,266.35 $35 to a mighty height. So if you watch, you can see our trades on BTC USD. You can see I told you that this very point was the overall at this very point was the overall support level. At this very point was the very strong support level that the trade is going to buy from. The trade touched the first time, bought to the overall resistance level, sold down to support level, bought to the resistance level, and sold down at this very point. So we see it buy massively because we're following the overall strategy to a mighty height. So currently it bought massively and gave us huge profit to something very massive. And currently our balance is now $14,366.35. Everybody's happy, the investors happy, and the students are happy in my academy, the VIPs are happy, and I'm happy too. Mighty heights, we always go.